Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that gets a lot of buzz in the crypto world, XRP arbitrage. If you've ever wondered how traders make a profit from tiny price differences across different exchanges, then you're in the right place. We're going to break down what XRP arbitrage is, the different strategies you can use, the risks involved, and how to get started step by step. This is going to be a detailed overview, so grab a notebook and let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is arbitrage? In the simplest terms, arbitrage is the practice of buying an asset in one market and simultaneously selling it in another market at a higher price, profiting from the temporary difference in price. This isn't unique to crypto. It happens in stocks, commodities, and foreign exchange markets too. When we talk about XRP arbitrage, we're specifically looking at exploiting the price discrepancies of XRP across various cryptocurrency exchanges. So why is XRP a good candidate for this? Well, XRP is known for its fast transaction speeds and very low transaction fees, thanks to the XRP ledger. This is a huge advantage for arbitrage. When you're trying to move assets between exchanges quickly to catch a price difference before it disappears, speed is everything. A slow transaction could mean the price opportunity is gone by the time your funds arrive. XRP's efficiency helps minimize that risk, making it a popular choice for arbitrage traders. Now, let's talk about the different types of arbitrage strategies you can use with XRP. The most common one is simple spatial arbitrage. This is what most people think of when they hear the term. It involves finding an exchange where XRP is trading at a lower price, buying it there, and then transferring it to another exchange where it is trading at a higher price to sell it. For example, if XRP is $0.50 on exchange A and 0.505 on exchange B, you could theoretically buy on A, transfer to B, and sell for a profit. It sounds easy, but we'll get to the challenges in a bit. Another strategy is triangular arbitrage. This one is a bit more complex and happens all on a single exchange. It involves trading between 3 different cryptocurrencies to end up with more of your starting asset. For instance, you might trade your US dollars for XRP, then trade that XRP for Bitcoin, and finally, trade that Bitcoin back to US dollars. If the exchange rates between these 3 pairs are imbalanced, you could end up with more money than you started with, all without ever leaving the exchange. This requires quick calculations and is often done using automated bots. Then there's statistical arbitrage, which is a much more advanced strategy. This involves using sophisticated models, algorithms, and bots to identify price patterns and correlations between different assets. A bot might notice that whenever Bitcoin's price moves a certain way, XRP's price follows a predictable pattern a few seconds later. The bot would then execute trades based on these statistical probabilities. This is definitely not for beginners and requires significant technical and programming skills. Okay, so now that we know the strategies, let's walk through a simplified step-by-step example of simple spatial arbitrage. Step 1 is identifying the opportunity. You need to use tools to monitor XRP prices across multiple exchanges in real time. There are websites and software specifically for this, like crypto arbitrage scanners. These tools will show you the prices on different exchanges and highlight potential profit opportunities. Step 2 is calculation. This is super important. Just because you see a price difference doesn't mean there's a guaranteed profit. You have to account for all the fees. This includes the trading fee for buying XRP on the first exchange, the network fee for transferring the XRP, and the trading fee for selling the XRP on the second exchange. You also need to consider withdrawal fees from the exchanges. Your potential profit must be greater than the sum of all these fees. Let's say the price difference gives you a 1% gross profit. If your total fees add up to 1.2%, you'd actually lose money. So always do the math. Step 3 is execution. This is the moment of truth. Once you've found a profitable opportunity and calculated your costs, you need to act fast. You would buy XRP on the cheaper exchange. Immediately withdraw it to your wallet address on the more expensive exchange, and then place a sell order as soon as the funds arrive. The key word here is fast. The crypto market moves at lightning speed, and arbitrage opportunities can vanish in seconds. This brings us to the very real risks and challenges of XRP arbitrage. It's not free money, and it's important to be aware of what can go wrong. The biggest risk is execution risk. The price difference you spotted might disappear while your transaction is being processed. Even with XRP's speed, exchange processing times for deposits and withdrawals can vary. If an exchange is congested, your deposit might be delayed, and by the time it clears, the profitable price might be long gone. Another major risk is slippage. This happens when you place a large order, but there isn't enough volume at your desired price to fill it completely. The order gets filled at progressively worse prices, eating into your profit margin. This is especially a risk on smaller, less liquid exchanges. And of course, there are security risks. To do arbitrage, you need to have accounts and funds on multiple exchanges. This increases your exposure to potential hacks or exchange failures. It is crucial to only use reputable exchanges with strong security measures and to enable two-factor authentication everywhere. So, how can you prepare yourself and manage these risks? First, start small. Don't go all in on your first attempt. Use a small amount of capital that you're completely willing to lose. Think of your first few trades as educational expenses. You're learning the process, understanding the fee structures, and getting a feel for the timing. Second, have your accounts ready. Before you even look for opportunities, you should have verified accounts on several major exchanges. Have some fiat currency or a stablecoin like USDT or USDC deposited on the Bitcoin exchanges, and some XRP already on the Consel exchanges. This prepositioning of funds can help you act much faster and is a common strategy for serious arbitrage traders. It reduces the reliance on transfer times during the critical execution window. Third, consider using tools. Manually scanning for opportunities is incredibly difficult and inefficient. Using an arbitrage scanner or bot can automate the process of finding opportunities and even executing trades. However, be extremely careful with bots. Only use reputable, well-reviewed software and understand that you are trusting your funds to a program. There are many scam bots out there, so do your homework. Start in a paper trading mode if the bot allows it to test its strategy without real money. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. XRP arbitrage involves leveraging XRP's speed and low fees to profit from price differences across exchanges. The main strategies are simple spatial arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, and statistical arbitrage. While it sounds appealing, it's packed with risks like execution delays, slippage, and security vulnerabilities. To get started, you need to set up accounts on multiple exchanges, learn to calculate fees meticulously, and act incredibly fast. Starting small and using reliable tools can help, but it's by no means a guaranteed path to riches. Arbitrage is a game of speed, precision, and risk management. It's a highly competitive field, often dominated by sophisticated firms with high-frequency trading bots. For the average retail trader, finding consistent, profitable opportunities can be a real challenge. That's not to say it's impossible, but it requires dedication, research, and a clear understanding of all the potential pitfalls. My final piece of advice is to educate yourself continuously. The crypto market is always evolving. Exchanges change their fee structures, new regulations come into play, and market dynamics shift. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Stay curious, stay cautious, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. I hope this detailed overview has given you a realistic and comprehensive look into the world of XRP arbitrage. It's a fascinating concept, but it's not a simple hack for easy profits. It's a serious trading strategy that demands respect and careful planning. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the crypto space. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with arbitrage, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.